Hello guys and welcome back again. In this video I will show you how to add skins to Uso. Of course most of you guys can see the streamers or the top player are playing with kind of like weird skins and not the same as the default one. So as do I. For example, I'm not using the default skin. I will show you the difference. For example, let's put the default skin. This is the default skin. Look at the mouse cursor. It is kind of bigger and kind of weird. You can't really focus on the game using this kind of skin. So how can you get a skin like the pro players? Well, it's pretty simple. Just get ahead and open your browser. You can open Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or wherever browser you have, and then click on here and tap Auto Skins. And as you can see, we have this first website, autoskins.net. Click on him, and here we'll find thousands and thousands of skins. They update them like you every day. You can find here new skins, so make sure to like whenever you feel tired of a skin, you can just come here and again download the new skin. For example, let's say that you really like a player and you want his skin, but you don't know the name of the skin. Of course, you can just come here on this filter, and from here you can search for your streamer name, and then for example this one, and then choose this name, update results, and you will see the skin in here. After doing so, you can click on it, click on download, wait a couple seconds until it's downloaded on your PC, and then you can let's see, of course it will be downloaded. Okay, now you can just drag it and put it inside your Uso. You don't need to do anything else, it will be changed automatically. Of course you can adjust this skin more by these options in here, but overall this is the skin. You can like swap between other skins. If you have multiple skins in here, you can choose whatever skin you want. If you want to go back to the default one, you can choose the default one. If you want to see the change that happened on the that comes with the skin, you can see them in here, like just by clicking on this on this like slider in here. You can see all the different stuff that are in this skin. For example, let's go for a solo game, and then let's click in here and check any of these maps, and as you can see the circles are different, even like the score, the mouse is different, the sliders are different, even like the bar in here and the pause menu, everything, even the font is different. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.